brown thingy?
What was that?
Can I remove this part? What is this?
What is the thing that you don't remove?
The optic nerve.
This nervy thingy. Where's that?
Can you find it?
Don't go into the eye by accident.
I'm not.
Did you find the optic nerve?
No.
Not yet. I think it's like around there. Somewhere.
The thing goes.
Has it punctured it yet?
No.
Yeah, that fibrous tunic is pretty tough.
Oh my god.
That is that candy-looking thing there. And so point where the retina is attached right now.
Like right there.
Right there.
Yep.
Now, on the back side of the eye, what does that correspond to?
Optic nerve.
Yeah, roll it up so we can see it.
Can we see it?
Yeah, the optic nerve. Do you see it right there?
Is it?
That kind of knobby-looking thing.
Yeah, we have like a small one.
I want you to move the lens out of there.
Alright.
So you can take your finger and pop the lens out, because it's not going to come right out. Okay, so look at the edge of the lens, and you can see the remains of the ligament that held it in there.
The black stuff?
Well, the black stuff is the muscle, but look at the edge of the lens.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see. It's like
That's the zonule, otherwise known as the suspensory ligament. Here's the pupil. Yeah, the hole. So if you poke through it, what are you actually poking through?
The little protect.